this outfit doesn't belong to me. Yes, the hair, the face, the environment, I went there, everything belongs to me, but I just wanted a switch of like me going to the same place and then different outfits. I never just wanted to spend money or go out as far as this birthday is concerned. So, and I don't want people to see what they've seen before. So I just asked AI to switch this particular outfit to what I am wearing, to what I will be wearing. So for this to happen, first of all, you can use your head to imagine what you want and tell it. But what I did here, I did not use my head. I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw a picture that I like, and I actually love the outfit. So I told AI to wear me the outfit. And it's very simple. We are not going to take time at all. So all you have to do is to get the picture ready and we are good to go. Now that the picture, let's assume the picture is ready because mine is actually ready. This is it. I just like the outfit, and I don't want to be standing. I just want to be sitting too. If you want standing, it can work out, right? Let's go to Grok because, Grok gives top-notch, high-quality images compared to every other. So if you don't have Grok on your phone, go and download it. And if you have not watched my last video on how I generated this beautiful AI birthday shot, then you need to go and watch it and get your shot ready before your birthday. And even if it's not your birthday, do it for your friends or your family. Imagine how much I would pay for this particular image. Not to talk of the outfits that I did not buy. The outfit is not mine. The accessories, the hairs, the makeup, the nails, none of them is mine. Imagine how much I would have paid for it. But now it is just one or two. So if you have not watched that video, once you finish this one, go back to watch it. And if you want more videos like this, also tell me. Then let's go. If this is your first time coming to Grok, this is how Grok looks like. So let's type it. Look at it. You click on it and here you are. You go to imagine. Like I said, if you want me to teach you how to create videos, good videos, not the one that will be changing your face, right? Good videos, whether talking, any video, tell me in the comment section. Then you go to imagine. Then click on here, on this particular place I say type imagine. Type to make image. You click on this here and then you are here. All you have to do is to import the images you want and then look at it. It's very simple. Swap picture A outfits to picture B. So let's go. Okay, look at it. Can you see? I have switched from this to this. Are you seeing any difference in my face? Everything the same hair, just my outfit. And you can play around with this. You can tell it to change the outfit to black. It is now black. Although it added my body a bit, this is not my body. You can tell it to also reduce it. Put your body size 6, size 7, size 8. If you don't know how to, you can also watch the last video of how I reduce this to this and this. You understand? So you can reduce. We are good to go. If you have any question or video request, tell me in the comment section. And if you want me to teach you how to prompt to get any type of image you want, because the last prompt I dropped is just for that particular type of image. Any type of image you want, if you want me to teach you on how to prompt it properly, detailed, for you to have all this, tell me in the comment section. And with this, you don't need to be snapping pictures. With this, with the last video and the one of prompting that if you want me, though, there is nothing you will not be able to achieve. And once you do that, you are good to go. Without dress, without hair, without picture, without going out, you will have pictures to post. And of course, you can do it for people and get paid, or at least get a thank you. And don't forget to try this simple outfit swap and tell me how it went in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.